Eat it, Cynthia.
No. How about tails?
Guess it just goes like this.
I'll make you eat it down.
No. I don't want to.
What is this attached to?
Does it still have poo?
I don't know.
He has balls?
Yeah. It's a timer. Merv, the thing, the strap. I don't know where this.
What?
The strap of muscle. I don't know where it.
I don't know my tattoo. What my tattoo?
It might squirt now.
Is that the eyeball?
I don't know. It's funny.
It's like a
Maybe it's like a cover, a layer cover. I don't know.
What did pop out?
that you could be able to see the heart.
Complicated. There's not good lighting in here.
Maybe you could say you could use the small gold lamp there.
Oh yeah, I will. Let's see. I guess this thing went like this. Yeah, it went like this. Okay. So this is attached to that.
Do you have to sew it or something?
No. Okay, so this is attached to this. How did it go now? Oh, here. Okay, so this is the clavobrachialis, clavotrapezius.
Even pieces are coming off.
That's just the connective tissue. It's just, that's attached like this. This is the acromiodeltoid. The levator scapulae ventralis, spinodeltoid, acromiotrapezius. What's next to that? Spinotrapezius is down here. And latissimus dorsi. Okay. And the temporalis. Oh, you didn't see this. That's the temporalis.
That's the brain.
muscle. Yeah,
Oh.
covering the skull. The brain is still inside the skull.
Oh, you guys can open that too.
What? Do it again?
Meow. Yeah, we're gonna open that too.
So you're gonna open it.
It's better for me if I'm standing up. Can't do this when I'm sitting down.
Okay.